everyone, welcome back to Paradox Alberta. So if you are a subscriber, thanks, right on. If you're not, hopefully you'll be by the end of the video. So today what we're going to do, we're going to finish up on the camera stuff. I have another mic setup that we're going to look at, the bag that I'm going to use for transporting back and forth, as well as what they call a dummy battery. So the dummy battery, what that does is if you're using a camera, the batteries, they don't last forever. So, you know, if it does 3,000 shots and you want to do 20,000 shots, but you're close to a power source, you use a dummy battery. Same as if you're doing it as a studio video camera or whatever. So let's get to our unboxing. First one that actually in the box, it's a bag, and we're gonna just cut right into it. All our links for our products will be in the description. Okay, so the first one is the power adapter. It's pretty basic packaging, comes from China, but this is the battery itself, and then you have the cable that comes out and hooks into the adapter, which then hooks into the wall. It doesn't have a USB hookup, it's a straight 110 hookup for North America, so if you're outside of North America, make sure you get the European model. So what you get is right around 6.5, 7 feet of cord, and then from the camera you're looking at about 2 feet down to the adapter, and it's super easy. So we'll go ahead and put that off to the side and go to our second unboxing. So the second unboxing is going to be a set of microphones that we picked up. The reason we picked these up is if you're ever going to have more than one person in your studio, or you're out doing interviews with people and there's more than one person talking, or maybe you want to be a little further away from the camera to get the perfect shot, the standard shotgun mic which I use, it's not going to work, right? So if you're going to be 50 feet away, you're going to need some other kind of microphone system that hooks to the camera so it can pick up the voices and whatever it is you're trying to record. Now, there are many ways you can do that with something that actually hooks to the computer and runs a cable, but that's not what I want to do. I wanted to have something wireless. So I ordered this, again, link in the description. It's the Debra CM02 wireless interview microphone setup. And what this does is it hooks directly into the top of the camera, and then the two individual mics will have a battery pack and a signal sender to the receiver, and they will hook up directly on the person's body. So it's packed super well. This sits on the mount on top of the camera, and then your receiver. So then your receiver will sit in here somehow. Oh, yeah. So your receiver sits like that and then sits on top of the camera. And then this will pick up anything that comes off of these. It does have an adjuster as well as a port that you could put an individual hand mic type situation in. So that's that, and it also has other brackets as well. And then the individual units that go to the person that you're talking with or that's using the microphone, and they hook directly into your transmitter right at the top. And then they have a little clip thing here which would go into your pocket or whatever. It just clips onto a piece of clothing like such. So you probably put that on your back pocket. Let's try the front pocket because the back pocket's in the seat. And then this is your mic. Now you could just jam it on your shirt like so, or you could run it underneath your shirt so that it's kind of inconspicuous. And that's it. There's two of those, so you don't have to record multiple sound files and then figure out how to edit it in later. I do notice that these antennas are a little bit flimsy, so you might just be careful of those when using your setup. But that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna attach that to the camera. These 3.5 adapters, one will go into your receiver and the other one goes down into your camera. So that'll sit on top of your camera like that. So we'll go ahead and set that up, and then we'll have a quick conversation about that. All right, now we have the system set up to the computer. Again, your body pack, The receiver is on top of the computer. The one thing that I don't like about this system is that it does require batteries, AA batteries. So the system just opens up and they just pop in like that. Makes it a lot heavier. You can adjust what channel it's on. Yeah, so I mean, all in all, for what it is, I'm not sure the sound. You'll hear the sound in the video should be different, hopefully better, maybe as good. But make sure, so AA batteries, they do not come with a pack. The one thing that is kind of discouraging with regards to doing this unboxing is there's really just 5 quick lines about the operation. There's no real talk about the frequency channels and the different things like that. There's no other manuals that come with it. So you're kind of just plug and play and play around until you figure it out. So I am going to switch back to my other microphone now and we'll go from there. All right, we got that all packed up, packs away real nice and neat. Only takes a couple of seconds to do that. I will mention, I did say that it was connected to the computer. What I actually meant was it was actually connected to the camera. Whew, 2 C words really mess up my brain. All right, so the last thing that we're going to unpack today is the large DSLR gadget bag. So I was looking for a camera bag, and the price is crazy all over the board. There's different prices. And really, I wanted something under $100 that I could drag around and protect my camera when we're out doing remote shoots, which we will start doing. I plan on having a couple of remote videos on gold mining. We're gonna do some river sluicing, as well as some hunting videos and some locations and stuff that we do our hunting at, and talking about different product reviews out in the actual field where we're gonna use them. So all in all, you know, this is a protective bag, so it really shouldn't matter how it's packaged, but it's just a straight up bag, ships directly from Amazon. You might be able to get it somewhere else. I will put the link in the description as well on this one. And it is just basically an Amazon Basics camera bag. It seemed to be the best priced unit that I could find, and all in all, exactly what I was looking for. So obviously your carrying handle on top, open it up, it's got a secondary sealed lid, which is nice, and it's a bright hunter orange inside. Now it's got a lot of pockets, gel pack, which I said in my first video that we were going to do a lot of what's inside of gel packs. I don't know, maybe I'll save these up in a box or a container, and maybe we'll just blow them all up somehow. Anyways, so it's really, it's got the Velcro removable compartments so that you don't necessarily have to have a specific camera for this bag. You're going to be able to adjust it and change it so that it fits your needs, as well as a couple of other different pouches that you can hold batteries and any kind of little note card you want as well in here. For me, this is going to be convenient because I need a license in Alberta to mine, so I'll be able to put my license in here, or any kind of quick access stuff I need to get to. So yeah, all in all, it's got a carry strap. Let's see how big it is, because for us bigger people, oh yeah, good size carry strap. So yeah, I'd have to give this a, you know, pretty good rating for the rate and the price that we paid for it. Again, you'll see that in the description as well. So those are the 3 products unboxed. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and hit the like button so you don't miss a video. Thanks for your support, and if I don't see you around, I'll see you square. I'm not sure where I'm pointing, guys, but there's stuff all over the screen. You need to click on it and check out another video and check out our channel. Right on.